Ons het eens geglo, ons woorde beteken niets, en dat beloftes vir altyd sou wees.
Maar dinge het verander, en ons kon dit nie keer nie.
We spoke but felt so far apart, trying still but lost the spark. Fading moments, shifting dreams, we held on longer than it seems. We were close then drifted slow, caught in words we couldn't show. Maybe time just changed our way, two hearts learning how to say goodbye.
Ek mis die gevoel van jou hand in myne, die stiltes wat net ons twee kon verstaan. Ek wonder nog soms in die middel van die nag, of ons liefde ooit 'n kans kon kry om te bly staan. Ons het drome gebou op woorde so sag, maar ergens het die waarheid begin verdwyn. Sê my eerlik, was ons ooit vir mekaar bedoel, of was jy net 'n les wat ek moes leer in pyn?
Ek onthou nog die dag van ons twee, die oomblikke wat ons gedeel het. Ek wou net hê jy moes sien wat diep in my hart geleef het. Miskien was ons baie anders, miskien moes ons verder loop, maar ek dra nog die herinnering aan die mooi wat tussen ons gebly het. Fading moments, shifting dreams, we held on longer than it seems. We were close then drifted slow, caught in words we couldn't show. Maybe time just changed our way, two hearts learning how to say goodbye. Maybe we were just two hearts trying to find our way.
Maybe we were holding on to something that changed.
We can't go back and rewrite yesterday. We can't erase the choices we made, but I will always remember the love we had before it faded. I'll remember the moments.
I'll carry the lessons,
Not every forever is meant to last.
but that doesn't mean it
Wasn't real.